Yes.
Oh my god!
You get the blue one.
Yay! I got it! The whole shrimp so
Just half.
okay. How will I know I touched her already?
Roll a little bit. Yes, make it enough.
It's moving.
When it's pulled down, you get it.
I get a bigger one.
Empty. Oh, not yet.
Bye, releasing time. Yeah. I need to release them because they're still young.
Bye
Bye.
bye.
Bye-bye. Okay, the yellow one. Oh my god.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye. See you underwater tomorrow. One more. Okay.
Oh, the red one.
Okay, bye, baby girl. Bye-bye.
The blue
Or
one.
the
The
big
blue.
one. I touched this guy. I touched this. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
I'm done with my side questing, and today I'm taking you underwater in Nusa Dua, Bali for an incredible diving experience. The water was calm, visibility was looking great, and I couldn't wait to see what was waiting below.
Okay, tie the strap. Good. That's it. Put on your regulator. Inflate your bikini. More. Deep enough. Good. Move to the front a little bit. Move to the front a little bit. Okay. Hold the mask from one hand and roll to the right one. 1, 2, 3.
As we continued exploring, I spotted something unexpected in the distance. At first, I couldn't quite tell what it was, but as we got closer, it became clear. It was an underwater Balinese musician statue. Seeing a cultural artwork beneath the ocean was such a fascinating experience. The statue stood quietly underwater, surrounded by marine life and coral growth. It almost looked like it had always belonged there. What made it even more interesting was seeing some restoration work around the area. It's amazing to know that efforts are being made to preserve this unique underwater attraction and help maintain the surrounding marine environment. Over time, structures like this can become part of the underwater ecosystem, providing shelter for fish and creating new habitats for marine life. As I swam around the statue, I couldn't help but admire the details. The combination of Balinese culture and the underwater world creating something truly special. The longer I stayed there, the more fish I noticed swimming around it. Some were hiding in the small space, while others moved effortlessly through the water. Moments like this remind me why I love diving so much. It's not about seeing marine life, it's about discovering new places that most people never get to experience. After spending some time around the statue, we continued exploring the reef. Everywhere I looked, there were colorful corals and schools of fish moving together. The reef was full of life. Some fish seemed completely unbothered by our presence, allowing us to get surprisingly close. I always find it incredible how diverse the underwater world is. No matter how many times I dive, there's always something new to appreciate. The visibility today made everything even more enjoyable. Sunlight filtered through the water, creating beautiful patterns across the reef and making the whole scene feel most magical. As the dive continued, I found myself simply enjoying the moment. No phones, no notifications, no distractions. Just the sounds of my breathing and the beauty of the ocean around me. It's one of the few places where I completely disconnected from the busy world above and be fully present. Before I knew it, our dive was coming to an end. We slowly made our way back, taking one last look at the reef and underwater statues that had become the highlights of today's adventure. This dive was a reminder that Bali isn't just beautiful above the water. There's an entire world waiting to be explored below the surface too. I hope you enjoyed coming alone with me on this underwater adventure in Nusa Dua. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what your favorite part was. I'll see you in the next adventure.